Hi, very good morning.
Good morning. Morning,
Good
sir.
morning.
Good morning, bro.
Can I able to see the screen, please?
Yes.
Okay. So, in the APR and October life cycle, guys. Today, let's discuss about workday structure. Workday structure. Structure, or it is also be called as day-to-day activities. Okay. So, one important question from all the HRs and managers: can you explain me about your day-to-day activities what you are performing in the previous role? So to answer those all questions, we will try to give the solution for that, guys. Okay, fine. So see, before understanding this workday structure, let's understand the calendar. Then we will come to the day-to-day activities. So there are two types of calendars, guys. What are those? CY and FY. What is meant by CY?
Calendar year.
Financial year.
And financial
Fiscal.
year.
Uh,
Financial year. Okay. So financial year and calendar year. Financial year and calendar year. Calendar year is common in every calendar year is common in every particular. If you go to any company, the calendar year is common, guys. When it will start,
Jan to
Jan to
December.
Jan to December.
the financial year changes from country to country. So what is our Indian financial year, guys?
March to April.
March
Uh,
to April.
April,
April to March.
April to March.
April to March.
India, we are following April to March. If you go to US countries, they're following August to July.
August,
If you go to UK
August to
countries,
July. UK, Jan to
following
December.
Jan to
Jan to
December.
December.
so in the entire world, this is the it has been divided. Some countries will follow April to March, that is Indian-based companies. Some companies, most of the companies are US-based. They will follow August to July. Some companies originated from German, Singapore. So this kind of countries, they will follow Jan to December, guys. Okay. So every financial calendar year and financial year. See, every financial year consists of 12 accounting periods. How many periods, guys? 12 accounting periods. That is 12 months. That is 12 months. Okay. So, according to which accounting concept the company need to follow the financial year, guys? We have a financial accounting concept. According to that, the financial calendar should be company need to follow the 12 accounting periods. What is that concept? In first session we discussed.
accounting concepts.
That is accounting period concept, guys. Why this accounting period concept is very important? To measure the financial results of the company. What company has been performed in the last year? What company has been performed in the current year? What company is going to perform in the next year? So to measure the company's financial performance, the financial calendar is very important. The financial calendar is very important. So how many periods is every accounting period consists of? 12
Two.
periods. So you can go to any company, these are the common, okay, 12 accounting periods. So every financial year consists of 4 quarters. 4 quarters. 4 quarters. Quarter is combination of how much, guys? That is
3 months.
3 months each quarter. So how many months total we have? 12.
12 months.
12 divided by 4? 3.
3.
12,
Each
4
quarter.
quarters.
Okay. 12 months per each quarter. Okay. And in the real time, the managers is to ask, what is your MEC? So every financial year consists of 8 MECs. What is meant by 8 MEC? Month end close. Month end close. And every financial year consists of 4 QECs. QCs. So what is meant by QEC guys? Quarter end
Quarter.
close. How many month end close and how many quarter end close will come in a year?
8 and 4.
8 month end close and
4
4
quarter end close.
close. Okay, clear guys about this? What do you do in the month end? Month end is nothing but 8 month ends and 4 quarter ends. Is clear? Understand guys?
Yes, ma'am.
So 4 month end and 4 quarter ends and 4 month end, 8 month ends. Okay. So this is the just overview of financial calendar. This is the just overview of financial calendar. Okay. So how the companies will derive the financial calendar? Let's understand the step-by-step process, guys. Okay. See, I think we already discussed this. Let's have a recap one more time. Okay. Give me 1 minute, guys. See, example. Company is following on to December. So how much every accounting period will be identified with P01, P1, P2, P3, P4, like that. Okay. P1, P2, P3, P4, like that. Okay. So P01, P02, P03, P04, P05, P06, P07, P8, P9, P10, P11, P12. Okay. So when is the starting period, guys? Which month will be the starting?
January.
Done.
March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Okay. So what is the next month starting period? That is example company is following April to March cycle. Okay. So what is the P1 guys? Which month will be the P1?
April.
April.
April to March.
So what will be the period end? That is last month,
Jan.
March.
Sorry, March.
Okay. So same way, if company is following August to July cycle, which month will be the P1 and which month will be the P2?
Jan.
Guys?
P1 and
July is
July.
July is the end period. P1. Okay. So P1 will start with August. So example, my company is following August to July. What will be the P08 month, guys? What will be the P08 month?
March.
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 If company is following April to March cycle, now we are in February. What is the period?
P11.
P11.
If a company is following Jan to December, what is the period now? P2.
It is
Yes. P1, P2, P3, P4 completely depends upon the accounting financial year starting and ending, guys. Okay, clear? Yes, understand. So don't think that in my previous company, February is P7. My company is following August to July. So now the P7, if in another company it changed, in that company they're following Jan to December. P7 will be July, not P2 will be the February. So you need to understand starting period and ending period. According to that, you need to decide. Guys, understand?
Yes, ma'am.
See, every 3 months once will be called as what it will be called as, guys.
Quad.
Quarter and closing.
So this is MEC, month end close, and this will be quarter end close. Okay, what is this? Every how many month ends and how many quarter ends we will get?
8 month
Eight.
ends.
8 months and 4
8
quarters.
months, 4 quarter
And
ends.
4. Okay, so this is about the month end and quarter end. Clear? Yes, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
So 8 month ends and 4 quarter ends. Okay, so month end and quarter end. So month end will be the heavy work, guys. Month end and quarter end will be the. So in the frequent calls, the people who attended the interviews, they might know that they're asking frequently how much time you're extending on the month ends and quarter ends, because month ends and a very hectic job, guys, because there is a lot of workflow in that period of time. Okay, clear? Understand, guys?
Yes.
Understand? See, let's think about these 3 months. Okay, now see month. Month. So what is this 3 month? August, September, October. So normally, when is the calendar will start and when is the calendar will end, guys? In a month, it will start with first of the month and ends with
Jan.
no.
August.
Every month starts
It starts with first and ends with 30 or 31st.
30 or 31st. Okay, that is common in the normal calendar. Okay, but financial calendar is completely decided based upon our day-to-day working days, guys. Okay, so see here, number of days. So in August month, how many days it will come, guys?
30. 31. 31.
August is 30 or 31, guys?
31.
31.
31. September, how many days?
30.
30.
October, how many days?
31.
31.
How many days?
92 days.
92 days per day, 3 months. Okay. See, number of weeks. Number of weeks. Each week, how many days it will consist of, guys? How many days?
7 days.
7
Sorry,
7 days.
7 days divided by 7. How many weeks it will be consist of in a month, guys?
30.
Leave about 1 4, 13 weeks. How many weeks? 13 weeks in a quarter.
13 weeks.
Correct? 13 weeks. Okay. So total 92 working days, 13 weeks. Still here, any doubts? Okay. Now see, it will be indicated what companies will do is there are month ends and non-month ends, correct? So in month ends, instead of giving this 4 weeks, they will give as 4 weeks, 4 weeks, and 5 weeks. How they will allocate this? 4 weeks for non-month end and 5 weeks for quarter end. Is clear? 5 weeks for quarter end, 4 weeks for month end. Is clear here?
Yes.
Okay. Now see number of working days in a week. Number of working days in a week. How many days, guys? How many days? Number of working days in a week?
5 days.
5 days. Correct? 5 days. Clear? Number of working days in a month. So if it is 4 weeks per month, then how many working days, guys? It will come 4 into 5.
20.
So how total number of working days?
60.
65. Because this quarter end is having how many weeks?
5.
5 weeks. So total how many weeks, guys? We have 13 weeks.
13 weeks.
Weeks per week. How many Saturdays, Sundays will come, guys?
2.
2. Total how many weekends we will get?
26 days.
26. Okay. So is it matching with our total number of working days, guys? Is it matching? Monday like that, it will move or come. That depends upon they will adjust that in the next cycle, guys. But how many working days we are getting here? 60 days. So what will happen if we take out the another cycle, like where we will not get 30 months? Okay, like example, this February month and March month, and this one day will be adjusted in that particular cycle. Clear? So the 65 days and 92 days is matching with our calculations, guys. It's matching.
Yes.
So total how many working days in a quarter? 65 days. Total how many working days in month end? Total how many working days in month end, guys?
20.
20.
So total 65 working days. Guys, still now here clear? Any doubts? Guys, understand?
Yes.
It's clear?
Yes.
Okay, so 65 working days and 13 weeks. Okay, clear? So Saturday, Sunday will not be counted for the working days list, guys. Okay, so let's see how the financial calendar looks in the real time, guys. Okay. See, the latest year they will not release. 2 years back they will release for every company because it's a confidential information. They will not release, guys. So it will be given to the people who are internally they are working. See, this is one of the company called which company, guys? It is Cisco.
Cisco.
Did you heard about the Cisco WebEx meetings? Correct.
Yes, yes.
They have many automobile industries and they're into the software development, many things, guys. So how their calendar looks like? See, this is the financial calendar 24. So when it is starting is which month it is starting? It's a US based company. When it is getting started?
August.
When it is getting
July.
July. Okay, so August to July. How many quarters? 1, 2, 3, 4.
4.
How many weeks in a quarter? How many weeks in a quarter, guys?
4.
13.
13. So how it is decided? August, September is month end, October is quarter end. October, January, April, July is quarter end. August, September, November, December, February, March, May, June is month end. Clear? Is clear till here?
Yes, yes.
Okay. So here, when is the month starting here? It starts on
End of
July 31st itself. How many days in the particular week? How many working days in the particular week?
4
1, 2,
4
3,
weeks.
4, 5. 5 working days first week, second week, third week. How many working days, guys? 20 working days. So this Sunday and Saturday will be ignored. When is the month end for this particular month? 26th only.
26.
And again, it will start with 28th itself, the September month will start. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. 20, 4 weeks, 8 weeks it is done. So what is the final month? September and October. So this is a quarter end. How many weeks here it is covering?
5 years, 5 weeks.
5 weeks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 weeks. Okay, clear? So like this, the quarter end is been assigned with 5 weeks. Month end is been assigned with 4 weeks. Clear? So the people is to tell that, bro, I missed to get today is my client house. So how can we decide whether it is a client off or not? See, according to this calendar. So they given this particular color with client off. Okay. See, Cisco US holidays. So when it has been happened September 4th and these particular dates. Close meetings. That means every month, every close, they will set up one meeting to discuss about the quarterly earnings. That is a high level meetings. So when it is happened, this one. And shutdown PTO day off. Shutdown in the sense company is going to close for this particular days, guys. So why this has been happened here 25th, 26th, 27, 28, 29. 1 second, why it is happening guys here?
Christmas,
Christmas holidays and January 1st. Even if you're working for this particular project in any company like Infosys and Accenture, they're taking these projects. So if you get a chance to work on, even our previous batch members are there in this project case. If you're working this project, you will get a holidays from 25th of the December to 2nd of January. The 10 days period we used to get in the previous. Okay, now also they are giving. Clear? Understand it? Not all the projects, guys. This is their financial calendar. If you go to new company, the calendar will changes. Okay. Yes. And when is the month end for every, this is white color indicates month end. So this is the month end date. After this date, no transactions are allowed to post for that particular month. Is clear?
yes,
See, quarterly end earnings release. So every quarter when they will release after quarter, August, September, October will be released to the public on 8th November. So what they will release, what the company's financial position, the management will release. Okay, clear? Guys, understand?
Yes.
So this is how the financial calendar will be decided. It's so starting and ending completely depends with the company to company, guys. But the financial calendar will be decided in the same way. Any doubts, guys? Okay. So let's move on to the how many weeks we have, guys? How many weeks we have in a month?
4 weeks.
13 weeks.
So every working day in our resume also we mentioned
2020.
in every resume we mentioned one important thing with the shortcut WD. Did anyone observe, guys? In the roles and responsibilities, we mentioned WD plus one, WD minus one. Did you see that? WD, WD plus one, WD plus one. WD is nothing but working day one. WD is nothing but what is meant by WD, guys? Working day, work
Working.
day, work day. Okay, work day plus 2. How many working days in a month? Plus 3,
20.
plus 3. Okay, so WD plus 4, WD plus 5, WD plus 6, WD plus 7, WD plus 8, WD plus 9, WD plus 10. How many working days, guys?
20.
20 working days. Okay. So first to start with ascending order, then it will start with descending order, guys. WD minus 1, minus 9, minus 8, minus 7, minus 5, 6, minus 5, minus 2, sorry, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, minus 1. Okay. So when it is starting, starts with plus 1 and ends with minus 1. How many working days per week is?
5.
5.
5 days.
First week will be called as a recon preparation week. What is the name of the first week is? Recon.
Recall preparation week.
It will be called as a recon week. The second week of a month will be called as recon approval and submission week. Submission week. So fourth week in a month will be called as, sorry, third week in a month will be called as pre-close week. Okay. So fourth week in a month will be called as GL close week. So how many weeks we have is? We have around 4 weeks. 4 weeks is divided into like this. Clear? Let's understand. Let's understand, guys.
Yes, ma'am.
So the first week will be recon preparation week, recon submission week, and recon pre-close week. That is pre-close week and GL close week. So let's understand each and every week with the detailed explanation, guys. Okay. So first week in a month will be called as what type of week is it is?
Recon preparation week.
Recon preparation week. So in this week, R2R team R2R team concentrates on preparation of various reconciliations like bank, balance sheet, intercompany, fixed assets, prepaid accounts, loan accounts, and other liability accounts. So what our team will concentrate on first week is preparation of reconciliations for the period. Preparation of reconciliations for the first period. Okay. So the second week will be called as recon approval week. Recon approval and submission week. In this week, R2R team concentrates on preparation of pending reconciliations and getting the approvals and submitting all the reconciliations. Okay, so this will be the second week, guys. What is the second week work is? Recon approval week. So fourth week will be called as pre-close week. So in this week, R2R team works on open item clearance, open item calls, open item clearance, pre-close journals, and pre-close activities. So fourth week will be called as GL close week, guys. GL close week. It is the last week in the every month, guys. It is the last week in every month. So what are the activities we are doing? So preparation of various various month-end journals, like accruals, prepaids, outstandings, bad debts, month-end FX revaluation, and depreciation run, depreciation, etc. guys. And month-end activities like balance sheet, comparative analysis, month-end month-end checklist, pre-close, month-end checklist, GL, close and open. GL, close and open. So these are the various set of activities which is being performed in the month, guys. This is the common. So in first 2 weeks of month, we are concentrating on what set of activities, guys? That is reconciliations. The next 2 set of weeks, we are concentrating on pending journals and close. So why the R2R team is not processing the transaction month-end adjustment journals in the 2 weeks? Because yesterday we understand R2R team involves in collection of financial data, collection of financial data, and understanding the collection of financial data and preparing the analysis, collection, analyzing, and submitting to the collection, analyzing, and delivering the efficient financial reports. Collection, analyzing, and delivering the efficient financial reports. Okay. Collection, analyzing, and delivering the efficient financial reports. Okay. So here the R2R team involves in collection of the financial data, analyzing of the financial data, and delivering the efficient financial reports to the management. Guys. Okay. So here this first 2 weeks R2R will not perform any kind of purchases, sales, this kind of invoices, because the P2P and O2C team works on the transactions which is to be posted for what is the purchases, sales. Then the R2R team will collect the data, understand what are the financial adjustments, and finally they will post that adjustments and close the books. Okay. So month starting and month ending will be a lot of work, guys. These 2 weeks we will not have much kind of work. Okay. So that's the reason if you ask any leaves in the month starting and month end, they will not at all give the leaves, guys. Okay. Clear? Yes, understand? Yes, understand
Yes.
about what is the work. Like if anyone ask about your day-to-day activities, our month starts with +1 and ends with -1. So the first 2 weeks we are working on the reconciliations, like bank and balance sheet reconciliations, and getting it approved. And third week we are working on the pre-close activities like open item calls, open item presentations, open item clearance. And fourth week we are actioning on the pending journals, that is accruals, prepayments, outstandings, amortizations. And finally, we are working on GL close and open process. Clear? Is understood, guys?
Yes, bro.
Okay. So this is about the month starting and month ending, guys. This is about the month starting and month ending. Okay. Month starting and month ending. Okay. Month starting and month ending. Is clear?
Yes, bro.
Yes. See, here everyone will get a doubt. Do we need to perform all these reconciliations from one person? No, guys. R2R, it is divided internally into different teams, like fixed asset team. In R2R, again we have internal teams, guys. Okay, R2R is 1 tower. Under that, we have different teams like fixed asset, payroll, intercompany, recon, revenue, revenue team, OPEX team, OPEX team, OPEX team, and recon growth team, guys. Recon growth team. So these are the various teams which is there in the sorry, here one more team I missed. Cash and bank team. Okay, cash and bank team. See, if you are get a chance to work on fixed asset, what type of reconciliations will you perform? Fixed asset recon. Okay, fixed asset recon and fixed asset journal entries. What are the fixed asset journal entries? What are the fixed asset journal entries, guys? Like asset capitalization, asset capitalization, asset depreciation, asset depreciation, and asset disposals, disposals and impairments. Clear? So if you get a chance to work on this particular team, you need to perform this activity. Okay. If you get a chance to work on payroll, payroll will be what is meant by payroll, guys? What is meant by payroll normally? What is meant by payroll, guys? In general term, payroll. Payroll is nothing but salaries, employee related benefits. You need to work on payroll reconciliations, payroll reconciliations, like salary accruals, salary accruals, salary accruals, deductions, etc. So that you need to work. So cash and bank team, cash and bank reconciliations and journal entries. Okay. So this particular intercompany team will take care of intercompany reconciliations and intercompany journals, like that we discussed with the various scenarios, like when asset is moved from one location to another location, or when there is a purchase happened between two legal entities, those we will discuss. Okay, so revenue team will be taken care of accrued revenues, accrued revenues, and revenue account reconciliations, reconciliations. Okay, so OPEX team will take care of operating expenses, operating expenses, and accrued expenses reconciliations, and accrued expenses reconciliations. So recon growth team will take care of reconciliations, guys. So like even I can't assure now which team you are going to place. The interview will be conducted in while asking the questions. They will touch all the questions from all these particular teams. But some people will get a chance to work on fixed assets. Some people will get a chance to work on payroll. Some people, but in internally, within 6 months, once or yearly once, they used to move to the different teams, guys. Depends. Okay. But this is the various teams in the companies. Clear? Yes, understand?
Yes, ma'am.
We will try to cover fixed asset reconciliation, payroll reconciliation, cash and bank, intercompany revenue, OPEX, all the reconciliation we will try to cover it, guys. Okay. So this is about the mainly into the teams, guys. Okay. See the complete shift timings. Shift timings. Shift timings completely depends upon your entity allocation. What is the APAC, guys? APAC, EMEA, Europe, US. So if you get a chance to work with APAC region, morning shift. EMEA region, that is UK shift, mid shift. This is also mid shift. So if you get a chance to work on US, which shift, guys? US shift, night shift. Okay, so while applying for the jobs, if the people are not interested to go for night shift, don't apply for that case. So a pack shift, it will covers of various countries like China, Taiwan, India, Indonesia, Singapore, Malaysia, Japan, etc. guys. So all these countries will be covering in the India, China, APAC region, guys. Okay, so all these countries will be covering in APAC. So EMEA countries, okay, so EMEA countries, like EMEA is having different countries, like various countries in EMEA, like EMEA is nothing but Europe, Middle East, East Africa. What is meaning of EMEA, guys? EMEA is nothing but Europe, Middle East, Europe, Europe, Middle East, and Africa. Okay. So what are the different countries which is covering in Europe and EMEA? This countries, UK, Germany, France,
Luxembourg.
Italy, let's keep on it, Spain, Netherlands, and guys, Netherlands, Switzerland, Sweden, Poland, Ireland, etc. guys. Okay. UAE, okay, Europe, Qatar, in that it will cover. Okay. So South Africa, Nigeria, Egypt, etc. guys. If your branch is located in this particular region and they ask you to work for this particular locations, your shift timing will be starts around mid shift, guys. So when it comes to US, okay, so US is nothing but United States of America. So US based countries, like we have various countries in US, California, okay. So we have many countries like California, Texas, New York, and Georgia, Washington, okay, Washington. I think these are the various countries, guys. Okay, so Texas, Florida, yeah, okay, California. So these are the countries in US, guys. We have various lists, guys. You can Google it, you will get the details of that. So why I'm specifically mentioning this particular point is because in interview or in the real time, you told that which shift you are working. You told that I'm working for night shift. Assume you told that you are working for night shift. Which country you are working? Which country you are supported? Is the next technical question from the manager. If you told India, is it a right answer, guys?
No.
You told that you are working for a night shift. Which reason you are supporting? I'm supporting US reason. Which country you are in US you are working? If you tell India, is it a correct guess?
No.
You need to tell California, Texas, New York, and any country. So you told that I'm working for 12 to 9 o'clock shift. Which reason, which country you are supporting? You can tell Germany, Singapore, Italy, France, Netherlands, whatever it is. You are telling you are working for morning shift. Which countries will fall in morning shift? China, Indonesia, Singapore, Malaysia, Japan. Okay. So whenever the interviewer, and once you join the company, if they ask what is the shift timing you're working in your previous organization, if you tell that you're working for a night shift, obviously you need to tell the US based countries. If you're working for mid shift, you need to tell the Middle East countries. Okay, you need, if you're telling the back shift, you need to tell the morning shift. That is morning. The time starts with India, China, Taiwan, Indonesia, these countries. Because many people will fed up with the doubt because of this particular point also, guys. Clear? Understand? Your shift timing, whenever you're telling in the previous organization, completely you need to tell according to that countries. Clear? Yes, understand, guys?
Yes, bro.
Okay. So this is about the day-to-day
Yes,
work
bro.
day-to-day work activities and what are the different set of activities we need to perform in the real time, guys. Clear?
Yes.
Is any doubts in that? Yes, any doubts?
No.
Is any doubts in today's session what we discussed? Yes, clear. Okay.
Yes.
This is completely
Yes,
about
Vinod.
your working day, and your interview questions, guys. Many interview questions, technical questions will rise from this particular topic. If you understand, you can answer it very easily without any difficulties, guys. Clear?
Yes.
Is clear?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. So this is about the workday environment. This is about the workday bit. Okay, so this is about the workday. Yes, understand, guys? So many of your interview questions will clear from this particular topic, guys. Okay, that is real time.
Brother, will you share this one?
Sorry,
Will you share this one?
I'm not getting.
Will you share this one to WhatsApp?
Yeah, I'm sending right because of you only I'm updating in the notepad, right?
Yeah.
I will send you. Okay, don't worry. Okay, guys, thank you.